No, you always feed me a lot, hon. And you get mad when I don't eat what you like me to eat.
The vandalism inside that you're seeing some of the video now. The vandalism
Oh my God, look.
inside the nation's capital. Completely unacceptable.
Oh my God.
Let's be quite clear.
Good morning, Philippines!
Loto po tayo ng Argentina ngayon. I have Argentina corned beef. Yun. Ang ginaw, guys. Ano ngayon? Today is Monday, right? Masakit yung mata ko. Oh, last night, guys, you know what happened? Tommy was sleeping on the couch. So, I decided to go to the office and watch a movie. The Ultimate Gift. Do you know that the movie, honey? It's about this guy, very poor. That was 1941. Guys, last night, sinabi ko kay Tami, nanonood ako ng The Ultimate Gift. You should watch it, guys. Ang ganda ng movie, grabe. Yung lesson ba, ang ganda niya. And, I'm just having Argentina corned beef. Magluto pala, nakalimutan ko, guys. Kailangan kong lutuin itong cabbage at saka beef. Magluto sana ako ng egg. Masarap ito kasama egg ba. Ang naobserbahan ko sa corned beef is salty. And then pagkatapos niyan, sasakit yung sa gilid ko. Yun yung naobserbahan ko. Pero hindi naman ako palagi kumakain ito. Masarap kasi, guys. Uy, grabe yung Texas. Yung part sa Texas, yung ibang mga bahay nag-leak na. 'Di ba yung mga pipe kapag yun yung kinaka-problema kapag mag-snow, yung sobrang ginaw. Kailangan ang temperature ng house is hindi maginaw. Sa loob ng bahay is okay, like 65, 70, ganun. Yung temperature. Basta sobrang ginaw. Ganun yung dito. Kaya may mga So, yung sa Texas, walang kuryente, wala lahat. Sobrang ginaw. Nag-ice na yung pipe. Nag-leak na yung mga tubig. So, ang daming kung nakikita sa social media na yung mga bahay is may icicles. Yung parang, oh my God, tubig kahit saan. At saka, hindi pa naman sila sanay. I mean, may maginaw doon, pero hindi sila sanay sa ganito. So, doon ko na yung Pilipinas, hindi nga kaya ng mga taga dito kapag ganun, na maraming namamatay. So, paano kaya sa Pilipinas, yung mga ganun ba, na suddenly mag-ice, mag-snow, and din sobrang baba yung temperature. Alam ko talagang hindi kakayanin. Yung beef na binili ko, magnilaga ako. Yan. Nilaga, na tayo ng tubig. Ilagay ko lang ito. Ginger. At saka si onion. Gusto ko yung onion sa nilaga. So, lagyan natin ng asin. I know you got a salt, right?
What?
You buy salt, right?
Yeah, up there.
I can't find it.
Up there.
It's right here, oh.
Oh, it should be up there. I'm gonna just show you.
You buy two?
One.
One? Okay. Hinugasan ko lang itong cabbage. Chinese cabbage para malinis. Kinakat ko siya. So, gamitin natin ito para yung strainer para sa beef. Aalis kami mamaya. Punta kami sa isang bahay.
What do you make in the bahay?
Beef soup.
Oh, no. Not a beef soup again.
I like it.
How do you make beef stew?
Beef soup. You would like it, huh?
Yeah, I had that.
This is a different one.
Yeah, thanks.
I know, there's a lot of them, hon. Hungry, hon. Maybe we should spend, maybe we should spend money for them. Daming turkey. Gutom yun, guys. Kawawa, eh. Alam nyo, guys, I feel so bad. I hope I can feed the animals. Like the animals out there, the turkey, ang dami nila. Yung kapitbahay namin, bumili siya ng corn. Especially lang talaga para sa sa turkey. Kasi ang daming turkey. Alam niyo yung turkey, they're going to help. Kapag summer, pag may turkey, wag mong ipaalisin. Kasi kakain yan sila ng tex. Sila yung kumakain ng tex. O na si Tami. Naglalakad na sa snow. Hugas man ako ng kamay, guys. Malinis po itong kamay ko, guys. I-boil natin ito ng matagal. Wala na itong yung buto. Kasi nahirapan ako sa kalisod. Ito, nilaga lang siya. Simple, sabaw, gulay, same thing. Yung ginawa ko the last time, kasi sobrang tigas yung meat. Tigasin pala yung meat na yun. Binigay ko kay Roxy at Misty. Ay, ang ginaw talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras kami aalis. Pero baka, mga... And we leave here 1 o'clock we leave. Did you put the thing?
Okay.
The water.
No.
Oh, my baby's gonna soak here. Did you clean it?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, remember, when you are playing with your phone, please don't charge. Unplug. Han? You listen, unplug. You know you're in tub. I guess I'll give you some treaties because Dada's doing something. Where is Hahab? Oh, Dada did give you already. Tommy is making his sandwich of this thingy wrap. Yeah, he did. And guys, tapos na pala ako guys sa natin. Sa sabaw. Tapos na siya. Simple, yummy, and that's it. And nag-snow na naman. Tignan nyo, nag-snow na naman. Naluka ako inito. Aalis kami mamaya. Mag-stop ito mga 2 o'clock. This snow will stop at 2. Dito pa kami. Hindi pa kami umalis kasi yung snow pa rin siya. So, mamaya na lang kasi basura na lang itapon namin dun. Tsaka, nag-half bath. Ang ulo ko, sobra talaga yung sakit ng ulo ko. Yung mata ko ito, iwan ko. Kaya nagsalamin na naman ako. Kaya sabi pa ng isa, 5 o'clock daw kami alis dito. Yung snow hindi pa rin nag-stop, hindi ko alam. Kailangan kong mag-drive. Samahan ko siya para
his activities when he was out. I mean, it just must break your heart. I mean, this man obviously should not have been on the street that day.
Hello guys, pakainin lang namin itong mga aso. It's 4:27 na. Alis kami dito mga 5. You have to eat, honey. Or you wanna really get your burger? We have tons of food. I'm not gonna eat anyway.
You are.
No, I'm not. He wants me to keep eating, guys. That's why I gain a lot of weight. No, you always feed me a lot, hon. And you get mad when I don't eat what you like me to eat.
Don't full of crap.
You should do.
So, what's that?
Tons of food. Good food. That's why you gain weight. Okay, guys. Ininit ko lang yung ko. Hindi na ako mag-bra. Ay, mapunta doon kasi mag-bra-bra bagol pa tayo na. About nilagang-lagang daga. So, kaya hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng mga anik-anik pa kasi yun yung sabaw lang talaga yung sa akin. Saka flavor ng beef. So, yun lang. And then, yun. Patayin ko yan mamaya bago kami alis. Ito siya. Yung pink.
Very incorrect promises, really, to the American people on the Alex Jones show. Your take on these 3 popular folks who seem to have any thoughts?
No, my thought is, I don't know Simon or Steve. I
Yeah.
know Charlie Ward personally. Like, you want to come on
I'm
my
gonna
show?
drive very slow.
And I wanted to talk, whatever. I went on Charlie's initially about a
This
year
is my
ago,
first time
talked
driving
about,
in the snow,
we talked
guys.
about earlier,
Oh, you're not really driving this far. You got out of the
saving
driveway.
company, stores, the whole
For sure.
thing.
Headed
Like,
towards the
how
grass.
this great show
No, I'm not.
he had. And I saw him come on the
making
scene,
up
and
stories.
he had like 30,000
That's not me going to the
subscribers, and
grass.
then suddenly I'm
I
like
know where's my
250,000
driveway.
subscribers. He's very
I know,
nice,
no,
and
Oh, look, there it is.
there were many options, and I always believed that they would have to let them commit the crime of certifying the election. So, just like to say,
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
We're gonna do oyster. Go there. Yung magdadrive ka ba? First time ko po itong magdrive ng ano. I mean, nakadrive na ako before yung snow, pero wala nang snow. Clear na yung daan, ganon. Nakadrive na ako ng ganon. Pero yung nag-snow pa rin. At saka may halong ulan, basa, at maginaw, maging icy. First time ko ito sa buong buhay ko. Well, hindi naman ako matagal nag-drive, pero first time ko to. Nakakatakot kasi mapifeel mo talaga yung mapifeel mo yung daan na slippery, as in magano na. Andito na si Mr. Burger King. Burger King, guys.
You know, they don't make spicy nuggets anymore now? Good. Why? You used to like those. I was like, what the hell with these people? First no spicy chicken, now no spicy nuggets.
Let's go drive, guys.
Let's forget in case you want something for pick on the
Oh
rat.
my God, no.
I know you do.
Hun, this is why happened. This is what happened. This is what happened when you become. Okay, let's go.
When you become what?
You become a food addict.
No, just move for your addiction. And move for your addiction.
Oh my God, Tommy. Seriously. Okay, guys.
Get them fries.
So if I cannot turn here, I'll go over there and turn, because I don't wanna risk my life for this.
Oh, look, it's dead. Nobody's coming away. Just wait.
I cannot even see.
Very soon.
Cannot even see.
You can fall.
My goodness. Seems like because it's a traffic area. Han, I told you, don't give me anything. Oh my God. Why do that? Okay, guys, I have to drive. Scary.
You want buffalo sauce for your wings?
No.
For your chicken?
I could swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
This is clearly, I think, crossed the line.
This is a tragedy for America.
Hello, I can feel
This has to
something
stop
here.
now. I don't get the point of anyone
feel
watching us
something
or on
here.
social media excusing what's happened.
Hello,
This will go
look, I
down as
can
one of the
feel
darker
it.
days in American history. I think
Holy shit.
condemning the violence is important. Solving the
This is
situation and trying to
dangerous
figure
now
out how
here.
this happened is all very
I'll pull over,
important.
I'll drive.
Again, a national embarrassment,
I'll
a
pull over,
national
I'll drive.
crisis, and that's not a partisan view or even a journalistic view. It's an American view.
The vandalism
The hell
inside, that you're
happened
seeing
here?
some of the video now, the vandalism
Oh my God, look.
inside the nation's
But it went
capital.
off the road, eh?
Completely
Oh
unacceptable.
my God.
Let's be quite clear.
Completely unacceptable.
Oh my God. I have to do is slow down. I can feel the road over there, like.
Right, you just get off into the side.
Frankly,
Yeah.
disgust me.
guys, we are here. Okay, we are here. I'm going to turn all the lights. Papakita ko sa inyo guys, itong buong bahay. So, I'm going to turn all the lights. And then, we're going to start yung mga dun sa taas. All the lights is on. I will help you, hon. Oh my God. Ay, goodness. Tulungan ko muna to siya, guys. Look.
How many times you tell her?
Waity. Alis na kami guys. Nagpunta lang kami dito para itapon talaga yung basura. So Saturday, balik kami dito. Ito na naman yun. Ang daming gamit ni kapatid ni Tami. So yung isang kapatid. Dito pa sa bedroom namin, sa kwarto niya. Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin niya dito. Ako yung magdadrive, and then ang tagal pa. May kausap pa. Habang wala yung, kasi kanina sobrang sakit talaga yung ulo ko. So, lalo siyang sumasakit kapag nakalanghap ng sigarilyo itong asawa ko. Nakalanghap ako sa sigarilyo niya. And masakit yung mata ko kanina, ngayon wala na. So, yun. So yan. Sasabihan natin siya na alis na. Okay, mag-drive pa ako. Ako yung mag-drive. It's a weird noise, sobrang. That's a freaking weird noise. What is that? The buzzing thing. Ano yun? Parang na yung magbabuzz ba? We're going home kasi ano na. It's 7:40 na, and I just really wanna go relax. Did I told you last night, guys? Na I think I told you. Yeah, I told you this morning. We're home, guys. Let me get the camera on the back. Huh?
I see how that works.
No, you're always wrong anyway.
I'll show you in the house.
I can see clearly now. The rain is gone, sunshine a day.
No, I can see all obstacles.
No, that's not right.
How much you got? How much money you want to bet?
$1,000. Hi, baby. Oh my God, yung excitement ng mga babies ko, Ginoo ko, Lord. You guys are excited. Hi, monkey. Hi, Barrog. Come, Roro. Come. Aluloy. Do you wanna go out dying, ha? Sus, Ginoo ko, nagpahid-pahid na ako dito sa salog kasi basa. Basa dahil sa mga paa nila galing sa labas, nagdala ng ice. Si Roxy nagdala ng ice dito, tignan niyo. Kinukuha niya yung ice sa paa niya. Ganyan yan dito sa bahay kapag mag-snow. Puro ice yung Anyway, kakain lang ako, guys. Yung mata ko ba, gusto nang matulog. Ito din si Roxy. Ala, grabe yung eyes. Uy! Mas gusto ko pa to kaysa burger. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Doon si Tami sa nag-ano lang siya, nagbanyo. Ayun. I will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat guys sa panonood. Salamat sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo bukas.